So how does the array.push method work in JavaScript? Basically, you use this when you want to add to the end of an array. If I wanted to add the name Phil to the end of this array, I could write names.push. Push is expecting as many arguments as I want, all of which being the items that we're going to add to the end of the array. So I could write Will, and I could write Bill. I could write as many of these as I want. If I was to console log names, at this point, after the push method is executed, the result here would be this plus what we've added. But it's important to note that it doesn't actually return the new array, it returns the new length of the array. So if I was to console log this itself, the push method being executed itself would return, in this case, 5, because the length of the new array after adding the new values is 5. If you like this video, check out my other videos and feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you. I appreciate you watching. Peace.